Good day, learners of Camiling East Central Elementary School. This is Teacher Jennifer, your teacher broadcaster at 88.8 Success Radio Eskwela Station. Today, we will learn a new topic from the most essential learning competency in English. Identify several effects based on a given cause. I hope you are all doing fine, and I'm sure that you are ready to learn more and ready to answer your activity sheets. Before we start our activities for today, make sure that you stay in a very comfortable room and free from any disturbances so that you can focus on your activities and hear me well over the radio. Are you ready? Then, let's start our lesson. Kindly get your activity sheets, pencil, and other learning materials and get ready to listen and learn. Can you still remember what you have learned last time? That's right, very good. You have learned about possessive pronouns that are commonly used in sentences. Do you still remember these pronouns? Can you give an example? Good job! All those you mentioned are called possessive pronouns. I'm glad that you still remember our past lessons because that means that you are now ready to move on with our next lesson for today. Remember to listen attentively because there will be an activities that we are going to answer later. Our lesson for today is about identifying effects based on a given causes. Let us see if you have a prior knowledge about our lesson. On item A of Roman numeral 1, let us complete the sentences below by choosing the correct phrase from list. I will read the given phrases in the list of choices. Then, I will read also the sentences to be completed. Read with me. Okay? Very good. Number 1. Preschool to high school classes are suspended because blank. Preschool to high school classes are suspended because blank. Number 2. A grade 3 learner should bring an umbrella and go to school if blank. A grade 3 learner should bring an umbrella and go to school if blank. Number 3. If the typhoon signal is at number 2, blank. If the typhoon signal is at number 2, blank. Number 4. The plants are uprooted because the blank. The plants are uprooted because the blank. Number 5. As a result of the typhoon signal number 4, warning by Pag-asa, blank. As a result of the typhoon signal number 4 warning by Pag-asa, blank. Let's answer. Number 1. The answer is, what phrase should be written on the blank? Did you get the correct answer? Very good. What about number 2? What is your answer? If you get the correct answer, very good. Next item is number 3. What is the answer? Very good. For number 4, what phrase did you write on the blank? Come on, let's read. What about for the last number? Very good. From the activity, you can identify what is a cause and what is an effect. How can you differentiate cause and effect? There are steps on how to distinguish cause and effect, or how to distinguish cause from an effect. So first, read an information. Second, find the information that tells the reason why something happens or why something has to be done. That is the cause. It is usually introduced by the connective because. The third step is to find the information that tells what happens. That is the effect. It is introduced by as a result of. Now children, let us take activity under Roman numeral 3 of your last. Let's talk about the following sentences. Number 1, school were closed early because of COVID-19 pandemic. Now, what is the cause in the sentence? COVID-19 pandemic. Very good. What is the effect? What is the clue word used? School were closed early. So the clue word is because. Okay? Yes, you are right. Number 2. As a result of COVID-19 pandemic, we are quarantined and ordered to stay at home. What is the cause? And what is the effect? Okay, the cause is COVID-19 pandemic. And the effect is we are quarantined and ordered to stay at home. What is the clue word? Yes, the clue word is as a result. Okay, so if you got the correct answer, very good. Now children, let's have activity number 2. Read and understand the sentences below. Underline the cause and box the effect. For number 1, there is a massive brownout because the typhoon is signal number 3. Number 2, houses are destroyed as a result of typhoon signal number 4. Number 3, banana plants are uprooted because the typhoon is signal number 3. Number 4, many trees are uprooted as a result of typhoon signal number 4. Number 5, preschool class is suspended because the typhoon is signal number 1. For number 1 sentence, what phrase or words should be underlined? What words must be boxed? How about in the next sentence? What must be placed inside the box? And what should be underlined? For number 3, 4, and 5. Same question. Okay, so let's do the activity number 3. Identify and underline the effects in the following sentences. Number 1, classes in preschool, elementary, and high school are suspended because the typhoon signal is number 2. Number 2, Class in preschool is suspended because the typhoon signal is number 1. Number 3. Due to typhoon signal number 3, many houses and buildings are destroyed. Number 4. All school levels in government offices in public and private are closed because of the typhoon signal is number 3. And for number 5, because of the bad weather condition, all levels and or all travels and outdoor activities are cancelled. Okay, so for sentence number 1, what is the effect that should be underlined? How about in the next sentence? In sentence 1, classes in preschool, elementary, and high school is the effect. And in number 2, class in preschool is suspended. Did you get it? Very good. How about for sentences number 3, 4, and 5? What are your answers? Okay, so for number 3 sentence, we have many houses and buildings are destroyed. For number 4, all school levels and government offices in public and private schools or public and private are closed. And for number 5, we have all travels and outdoor activities are cancelled. Okay, I'm sure that you are now ready to answer our post-listening viewing activities in part 2 of day 2 of your LAS. That would be your assignment. You may seek the assistance of your parents and guardians or siblings. So make it sure that you will send to me your activity sheets when your parents or guardians return to school. So that's all for today, children. I hope you learned something from our discussion today. So once again, this is your teacher Jennifer, broadcasting from 88.8 Success Radio Eskwela Station. Until next time, keep safe everyone.